Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I'm going to be bringing you a matter and at the same time vintage look like. I don't know, I think it's going to be more matter because everything that I'm using does not look vintage. But I'm going to try to use red and pink, and of course you're going to have the accents of white or any other color. Alright guys, so I'm doing a table for two. Um, So I want to start with my placemats. I have four of these. I used four in the bathroom in a previous video. Yes, guys, in the bathroom. So these ones are, got them from Dollar Tree, I think about 2 years ago. So I got these two placemats. So also I want to use my Vantage style um, chargers. So let me grab those. So right here, my white Vantage style chargers. So I'm going to use those. Also, I'm going to be using red plates, red dinner plates. I got this long time ago, more than 6-7 years ago. I can't remember if I got them from Dollar Tree or Family Dollar. And with those, I'm going to be using clear iridescent plates for the salad plate or bread and butter plate, however you want to call it. So we'll be using those. And with those, I'm going to be using this little plates that says homemade, homemade and delicious. So these were given to me. So I'm going to be using those right on the center. And on top of that, I am going to be using my dessert little plates, little bowl. These are milk glass. So I'm going to be using these because that was the dessert is going to be served between the little one and the little bowl on the top. Okay, with that being said, um, I also want to use my runner. I got this runner from the Dollar Tree, and I think it goes perfect with it because of the hearts. And we're still doing the Valentine theme. So, oh, I got it backwards. Hold on. So I'm going to be using this runner, which I think it goes perfect because of the color. And of course, we're doing a Valentine style table. So, and on top of this runner, I'm also want to use my little pink rose garland. So, which I got right here. Guys, I have everything on my little tiny little kitchen. So you might see stuff on the background. It's gonna look like a mess. So I want to use my rose garland, which I thrifted this garland. Wow, going now maybe on 3 years. And I love it because the rose looks so nice in it. So yeah, I'm using the garland right on the center of the table. Guys, this is part of the collaboration called Tablescape Tuesday. This is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Guys, next week, don't forget, we're going to have a guest. And the guest is not only the home from Lisa Lisa. So guys, I'm going to leave her link in the description box so you guys can go and check her out. She does some beautiful, amazing decor. And also Anna, she does some beautiful tablescapes. So guys, so you guys can go and check it out. I'm going to add some things on the table and I'm going to bring you guys right back, okay? So far, this is what I have. Guys, these candles, they are the battery operated candles from the Dollar Tree. And I actually DIY them. So I'm going to be using this one near the flower arrangement because we do not want to have any accidents when we light up our candles. And of course, I have my other pink candles on the edge. I put my Vantage style DIY on the end. I will bring you guys close so you guys can see it. I'm also using my DIY napkin rings that I did with the bowl style napkin fold. I'm going to place this on top of the plates. I will be using my Cracker Barrel glasses with another glass, which is going to be a red glass. So I'm going to get those and I'm going to show you how I'm going to continue setting up my table. I am using my Valentine teapot. I have not used it this season yet. So I will be putting it in top of this Vantage little tray for the drip when we sit down. And this is, I cannot even pronounce it because I don't have my glasses and I cannot see it. So there's a tag. Guys, I actually found this, a person was moving and she was getting all her stuff, not here in my other house about 6 years ago. And she had it in her hand and she was lifting the trash barrel cover to throw it out. And I said, oh, that's pretty. She's like, you want it? I said, are you sure? And she's like, yeah, I'm about to throw it out. I said, oh, no, don't do that. So I collect platters like this. Guys, I have over 7 of these platters. And these are Vantage platters. And I said, where do you got it from? She's like, oh, I got it from the Goodwill. I thrifted it. So I only pay $1.99, so I know it's not worth much. So I know what it's worth. I said, sure, I'll take it. So I have it ever since then. I took it home, clean it up. Guys, it's beautiful. Look at it. It is absolutely gorgeous. So I said, sure. And I do use it for my tea parties. I put goodies in it. But this time I'm going to put my, actually, no, I'm going to put my teapot in my little table that I DIY. I showed you this before. I DIY this table to hold my teapot. And I put this together in 10 minutes, sometimes last week or the week before. Because I needed something to put my teapot because, of course, what you put in it is hot. So I'm going to place it right here. And in here, I'm going to place my Vantage milk glass creamer. You guys seen this before. So guys, I'm using a cake for props this time. I have not baked anything, but I will be baking a cake. So you will not see it on this tablescape, but maybe you will see it on a future tablescape. And I will be using this little Valentine cup right here. As you guys can see, it comes with a little spoon. We'll place it right here with my cream and sugar. So yeah, and with that little mug, these little babies came together. This little so I'm going to place this just for a surprise inside the little bowl right there. So will it look nice? And of course, when we sit down and eat, it's going to get clean before I serve anything in it. I'm just showing you how I'm going to set it up for the video. So I'm gonna lay them down because I want them to look up like that. Or maybe I took those out and I put some chocolate in the little thing. Or I put I think I'm gonna put the chocolates in the little teacup. So guys, what do you think so far? And of course, these are battery operated. You guys gonna see them on. Then I have my love sign here. I got this from, I believe, Family Dollar last year or the year before. So yeah, guys, I like the way it's going. So let me continue, put the rest of my items here and get my flower arrangement and light up the candles. All right, guys, I think I am done. So let me put the flower arrangement. So I'm using the same flower arrangement. I add a couple of red items to bring the red color to the flowers. All right, guys, there's my flower arrangement. I hope you guys like my table. Guys, a lot of people ask me why I don't plan my table. Guys, I cannot plan my table how I'm going to set it up because if I do, my brain will not comprehend and I will shut down and I cannot do a table. I have to just start putting things on the table and look at the end results. So I put some chocolates here. That's how come you guys see a lot of my table mix and match patterns. Like I said, I cannot plan a table. Yesterday I was trying to plan a table for yesterday, to do it yesterday, and I couldn't do it. Today is Tuesday and today is Tablescape Tuesday. So this took me to maybe 25 minutes to put together without being planned, because if I do, I won't be able to do it. So guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to light up all the little candles that I have on the table. And I do have fairy lights hidden in some places. So I'm going to light it up and I'm going to give you the look with the lights off and the table lit it up. So let me do that for you guys and I'll be right back. Well guys, my table is lit up. Let's turn on the main light. And that's what my table looks like, guys. That's what my table looks like. I hope you guys like it. I enjoy putting it together for you guys. So sorry about the movement. I'm taking you guys out of the tripod. That's what my flower arrangement looks like in there and on the bottom. Let me take the phone out of the tripod. Hold on, guys. All right, guys, this is from close. This is what my table looks like. Yeah, you guys could see the little background mess in my countertops. But that's what it takes for me to do a table. So I put fairy lights inside my vase with some cotton felt. And here's my flower arrangement with my fairy lights. So yeah, guys. And then let me go around again. Here I am using my garland that I created. This is what everything looks like. And then here. You guys can see I have little birds all over my garland. I don't know if you guys noticed them. There is another one. But yeah, guys, this is my tablescape. These are my DIY items that I created for Antoinette decorating video. So yeah, guys. So let me come over here and leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy, and remember, guys, God loves you, and Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye bye, guys.